Hi, in this new video I will show you how to reset the filter sign on the dashboard. It's a pair up sometime when it's due to replace the filter. On the Nissan Qashqai 2015, turn the ignition on your on off button and then scroll this down to bring up a setting. Press enter, highlight the maintenance and then highlight the filter, press enter, reset. So you can change entire mileage, the mileage you want to reset again. For this vehicle we put on 5,000, press enter. That's the 5,000. That's set for the 5,000. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.